guys.
And me, guys.
Today we have a big update.
A lot going on around here. So we'll start off on our progress of our under 1,000 build. All right.
So I'm going to show you my pickup truck. So I got my front. It looks a little orange, but it's actually pink. On your eyes out pink. It's shiny now. So this is my front. It's a little orange.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but
Yes, I can. Now that it's shiny, we're gonna put the blue parts inside here. Let me get these. I put the wheels on the bottom, and it was not easy. Outside. I painted these. If you can't see, I did not paint the line because I thought it would look more cool, and I think it looks really awesome. So that's that piece. And then the steering wheel. Blue on the outside, silver on the inside.
the pink pickup truck is coming along good. So we'll start getting more of the big assemblies together soon, I think. And it'll look pretty neat. Couple big updates in our office. We did get the desk light. I know that was up on the last video. But we got shelves back here and the work light underneath. We got scheduled with my buddy in a couple weeks to build a countertop for it. So we'll actually have a workspace, a work surface soon. Yesterday, got a nice big hole in the side of the house and ran a duct.
When did that happen?
That was yesterday while you guys were in school. Ran a duct for our exhaust vent.
Where did you cut the hole?
It was right over there. So that'll help get some fresh air moving through our workspace. Other big news is we have shop cards. We'll have our email address updated in the channel info. So if anyone's interested, send me an email. I am not a big emailer.
No, he isn't.
So be patient. I don't check my email terribly often, but I will try to keep tabs on it, or if anyone sends us something. Other than that, everything's moving along pretty good. So we'll keep getting updates on this under 1,000 group build that we're working on this pickup truck for. And until next time, happy building.
Peace.